Hello, this is Bruno. So today we are going to talk about how to set up names and the gender for the characters, player characters, for the D&D. We are not going to talk about race, background, classes, or other stuff today because that will be so much. That will be too much for the video as well as it's quite hard to do so because you need to adjust a little bit more. And then first of all, we will discuss about how to set up a name. So we find out the DND English file, and then we will do a file here. So for this file, I will consider like a set up a names or set up a character gender. So I will just select name and gender here. So that will be dot pi. So for this one, I will create a name and input what is your name, which means that people will going to say what is the name of the characters, and then I will do a print. So let's say we're going to build a name on it. What's gonna happen? So I just a little bit one this file. Okay, so I will say my name is Bruno, and then you come up with a hello Bruno, welcome to the world of D&D. So that's perfect. That's what we're going to do. Just imagine that you are entering the world, and the second thing that you are going to do is creating a gender. Lots of people may be using like male or female as their own. Of course, that won't be a happening that you can consider yourself as male, and then you can just you only use male characters. That's not possible. That's not a must. So we are going to set up two items. The first item is gender for characters or for D&D characters. So I just ran this use gender for this one. So I can create male and female. However, maybe some of the times that people just let's say select Delta or select alpha, beta. Then what's gonna be? Is it alpha to be a gender now? So it won't be like this. So if they are not saying want to choose like male or female or something, so we will just automatically assign it in undecided. So that's why we get undecided, where the others or other stuff. Although I really supporting or respecting for the LGBTQ, but undecided will be the best that we can use. So for the player gender, which means that they are going to fill in the gender afterward. So before we are going to do this, like I said, male and female. But if they are not decided yet, or they are having another issues or another questions, then we can consider this one. While player gender not inside the gender group, which means here. So the player gender, which means the things that they are inputting, they will be automatically to consider as a undecided gender. So now we can do this. So let's say my name is Bruno, and then I don't input anything inside it. So it will consider my gender is undecided. The part that we do undecided, afterward we will consider myself we are playing is male or female, or if we are using the undecided group, it's also okay, it's good to go. So now we are good to go. We are setting up a characters now. Of course, you're gonna say that we need to have a saving. We need to save a characters, but that will be another move, and another video for us to do. So thank you very much for today, and this is the sessions of D&D characters. Thank you very much.